This diagram is called the Aufbau diagram. We can use this diagram to produce electronic configuration of atoms or ions. You notice there are 4 subshells in this Aufbau diagram. These are the S subshell. S subshell can take a maximum of 2 electrons. These are the P subshell. P can take a maximum of 6 electrons inside. These are the D subshell. D subshell can take in 10 electrons. And these are the F subshell. F can take a maximum of 14 electrons. Let's try to write electronic configuration of iodine. We need to check on the periodic table how many electrons the iodine have. If you look at the periodic table, you see that iodine have 53 electrons. Now let's make this electronic configuration of the iodine. We follow the order of the subshells in the Aufbau diagram. First is 1s, this one. After that, we draw 2s. After that, we do 2p. After 2p is 3s. After 3s is 3p, and so on. Then what we do, we assign electrons inside them. So remember, S can take 2 electrons, and P is 6, so we put it here. Then we try to calculate. We count the total number of electrons. All the way until 3p, we have 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. We have 18 here. It is still far below 53, so we need to increase that all the way until 53. So we continue. 4s is 2, 3d is 10, 4p is 6. So we add up 18 plus 2 plus 10 plus 6. And how much is that? 18 plus 2 plus 10 plus 6. We have 36 until here. Still not enough. 5s2. S have 2 electrons, 4d10. So you add 36 plus 2 plus 10. So you have 48 until here. Which means you have only 5 electrons on the 5p subshell. That's our answer then. Yeah, we erase the working, the cumulative number of electrons. Yeah. So iodine is, the electronic configuration of iodine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, and 5p5. That's the electronic configuration of iodine. The video for tomorrow, we are going to make an example of electronic configuration, but we try to use something simpler. Yeah. So that's all for today.